Guess who's back? Back, kick it. I'm going to might start everyone by a little song. I might do a little... No one would enjoy that. Everyone hates my singing. I'm back, obviously.
I'm the cousin.
I've got more than one, but this is one of them.
I'm the cousin.
The one that's coming. She wouldn't film before because the hair wasn't done. It's done now.
Now we can film. We're good to go.
She's here. So I just thought we'd do why we're going, what we're doing, what our plan is, roughly. Mainly for Sharna's mum, so she knows what we're doing.
She keeps asking them.
She knows the plan. So originally, it was like 2 years ago, we went to London and we were waiting in the train station in Prezzo's, and I don't know what happened, but you were just like talking about wanting to go travelling.
Yeah.
And I'd just come back. No, I'd just come back.
Wow. Yeah, you're doing back a few months actually.
Yeah, I just come back from travelling, so I wanted to go again. And you were like, oh no, and I thought, oh, you'll never go.
Hey ho, here we are.
Now we're going. So that was like 2 years ago, and then what made us actually decide to go?
Well, I went to London again, you picked me up, and...
Well, I hungover, was you hungover?
I was very hungover.
You hungover, I was fresh as a daisy, and I was like, let's just look at flights and just see, and we just had a look, and then the same night I just booked one. I was like, we're booking it.
That was it.
And then now we're going on Saturday. It's Monday now.
It's Monday, yeah.
It's my birthday. 25, feeling alive. So, plan-wise, what are our plans?
So, we fly on Sunday to Hanoi, starting in north of Vietnam. Then we go to Halong Bay, Cat Ba, and then Sapa. And that's as much as I know.
No, you do know more. But that's as much as we've got planned.
Yeah.
As in, we've not planned, like, that might change. We might get to Hanoi and want to stay for 2 weeks. I doubt it. Yeah. We've got a 30-day visa for Vietnam. Last time I spent 2 weeks and we rushed it a little bit, so hopefully 30 days is a lot better. After Vietnam, at the moment, our plan is I'm going to try, if I say I've got to do it, I could edit it out though. I'm going to try and put a picture on of like the route. It's really hard to find though because we were looking for ones. Like just to show, it's really like no one's done one. Okay, so it's a few days later, and I found a map in the book we got from the travel shop, so I thought I'd put it in. So we start here. Oh, how graphic is this? And we're going to go down through Vietnam into Cambodia, up through Laos. And we're going to go do a little bit of the north of Thailand, and then into Myanmar. And then we're going to fly down to Malaysia. After Malaysia, we're going to do the Philippines, and then back to Bangkok, where we'll do the south of Thailand with our cousin, our other cousin. That was probably the worst graphic ever, but that gives you a rough idea of what our plans are. And it saves you watching about 4 minutes of me and Sharna trying to describe and explain. So we'll just see where it takes us.
You'll figure it out with us along the way. Unless
I quit this. We had a party on Saturday, and one of my friends' mum was like, don't quit it like you did your blog, Paris. I was like, I know. I stopped my blog because I stopped being in Australia and my life's pretty boring here. And she's like, no, I really enjoyed it. I was like, yeah, but there's not much to like, so I did a blog when I was in Australia, and I was like, there's not much to really like, I'm watching Netflix at home, I've been to Tesco, so I stopped it. But I'm not going to stop these videos. I'm going to do anything really crap because I've got nothing else to do in my life, have I really? Money. Dollar, what are you taking? Which plan?
£4,000.
She's laying.
I may have more saved, but I would like to spend 4,000.
I think I've not saved as much because booked flights in September, started a new job in September, great in the dollar bills. Quit my job because I hated it in December, so I've had like 3 months of just part-time work. So I've not spent my savings, but I've not saved anymore. So I've not got as much, but I've got an income source. That is my brother is my income source. Well, hopefully. I've asked him, he said yeah, so it's in writing. It's on Facebook, it's in writing, so hopefully he'll give us some money, lend me some money. So we should, I think, about £25 a day, give or take, and that's obviously factoring some days, like Halong Bay, is going to cost us like way more than that. But then other days, we'll just be on the beach all day, so it costs us a bit less. So that's my plan, with then the end of it, maybe a bit more, because Darren and Laura are coming, so we might like not eat £1 street food every single meal. I might treat them.
Go somewhere a little bit nicer.
Yeah, I might let them sit down and eat the food on a chair.
£1 street food?
Yeah.
Wow.
Probably less than £1 actually. Yeah, I've had Thai for like
that's
50
true.
baht.
That's true.
Yeah. So how much do you think street food was?
Not much money actually. It just sounds cheap.
Was it cheap in Malaysia? Or were you like, because you went like last year?
Yeah, last year. Yeah, food's pretty cheap in Malaysia.
But that wasn't like, you wasn't like travelling, you were with your family, so it was like a bit more high end.
Yeah, But to be fair, even like the restaurants and things were quite
Cheap.
Were cheap.
Okay, that's cool. Anything else you want to say to your fans? They might not be your fans, they might hate you.
Well, it was nice to meet you all.
Isn't it? Is no one there?
Well, no, but I mean, like,
You're talking to your mum and my mum, that's
Hi,
it.
Mum.
So right now what we're doing, what's the plan for today?
so we are off to Sheffield. Why are we off to Sheffield?
Just for a day out, my birthday. Just going to go for lunch and...
Maybe replace that.
Might have bought a cash card, which I bought last time when... So you don't have to pay like the... What do you have to, not the transaction fees.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like better, more secure because your money's not just like on your card. Like if your bank card gets stolen, your money's on your card. Whereas this, it's like not on your card, you can transfer it. Is that making sense?
It's on like a cloud that you transfer onto the card, so you only have to have so much.
If you've lost your card, like mate, the money's not lost. So I've not like lost the money, fingers crossed. But I had it in my travel wallet, all organised, ready to go, downstairs, like all my documents, insurance, everything photocopied. I took it out to take it to the cash machine to test it, and I've lost it, which is great. And we go Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, basically in 5 days. So I'm going to spend my birthday driving to Sheffield, which I hate driving in general, but in cities even worse, to get a new cash card. But we are also going to go for lunch because, yeah.
Because it's your birthday.
My birthday. It's my birthday. I must spend my money. I ain't got no money to spend. Why is it so dark?
Because we're in a dark car park.
We're in the car park. We didn't go to Sheffield because... Why did we go to Sheffield?
You didn't want to drive to Sheffield.
I don't really like driving, so we drove to Nottingham instead. Look how teeth how white look. Look how white teeth look in this darkness. So we're in Nottingham and we're going to go to STA and then I'm going to go to Alchemist.
Sounds like a plan.
I want to try that place as well, but it's quite far. We'll see. We're in the lift. It smells like weed in here, so...
It's like a, hot box.
We're not. Got our card, we've been for food, been for drinks, a drink, and
got our Asia catalogue, saved it to the last minute, but you know, start planning now.
we're on it. Okay, so it's 3 days later. This is my professional editing setup. I've almost finished editing and I've just realised that I don't say goodbye, like I didn't last time. So I've come back on, so it's not just an abrupt ending. Yes, my hair's now curly, even though it was straight before. Just pretend it didn't happen. The next time you see us, we will be in Vietnam, I'm presuming. All going well that we get there, okay? So sorry, it's a bit crap again. Maybe my like sign off will be hope it gets better next time, and then eventually one day it'll just get better. Shall we run with that? No, we'll think of something. So yeah, thank you for watching, Mum, and to Jerry. That's about it. And we'll see you in Vietnam.